So yeah, welcome to Ali Ran Ads, and today I'm going to show you one of the case studies of Facebook page which is related to pets, puppies and dogs. Okay, so it is 7-day result from September 30 to October 7 2022. So first let me show you that I am the admin of the page. Okay, so before we proceed anything, so let me show you I am the admin of the page. So actually Facebook is copying the style of switching pages between from YouTube. So as you can see, you can switch between pages and profile from here like YouTube. So this is the page and doghouse and breeding center. So yeah, as you can see, I have logged in this page, and for even I can show you I am the admin of the page by going to settings, go to new page experience. Actually this is new page experience. Okay, here you can see my name, Ali Hussain Dunia. So yeah, I'm the admin of this page. Let me go to my own profile. Yeah, so yeah, ad platform Facebook. So the ad is started from 30 September and today is 7 October. So today it ends at 12 am. So budget, daily budget, average $2. Location I have targeted Kathmandu. Page name just I showed you. And category pets, puppies, dogs. Objective was messages, to get a lot of messages from users who interacted with our ads. So overall results I will show you live. Okay, so let me go to my account manager, go to ad. Let's go to the client ad manager. Yeah, means dog center. Click here and let me set the date from 30 September to 7 October. Okay, so click on update and you can see delivery is completed. Actually just today completed at, and as you can see 12 am 12 am you can see 12 am. So yeah, and you can see the overall campaign name, delivery completed, and you can see the result 164 messaging conversation started, reach, impression, cost per result only 0.09, amount spent total $13.99, which is you can save $14. So yeah, this is the overall result, and I will paste all this here. And in client satisfaction, actually he has done some puppies delivery, but let me ask him. And yeah, he is happy because he deliver actually 5 to 10 puppies. So he actually ship all over Nepal. So yeah, let me show you the campaign, how it looks like. Go to edit. As you can see, how I did Ramesh talks and campaign name, and you can see the objective is engagement. And if you go to ad set, and you can say conversion in messaging apps, and you can see daily budget $2, and starts date, end date. Okay. So this is the audience. You can see people who watch, and yeah, as you can see expected links, you can 44 126. And if I go to ad, it's the actual ad, and you can see the ad post here. You can see these puppies. Okay, so it's actually coming from creative ad. Okay, ad creative. Okay, so yeah, I created automatic message, and yeah, this is. So let me show you what I can show you now is to generate a report. So let me generate a custom report. Okay, create custom report, click here, and what do you want? Actually I don't want this, and I don't want this, and I don't want engagement rate ranking. I think it's not be fitting for client. Let me remove this one also. Yeah, I think this is. Let me select matrix. Impression rate, result, delivery, frequency, link clicks. Let me click on link clicks, and you can find here total link clicks 1834, and in the ad set I have showed you earlier, it was actually expected 22 to 64, but link clicks is way higher, 1834. Reach, result, impression, amount spent. So yeah, this is, let me save this first. Is dog center 1 week. Let me save this. Now let me download this in Excel. Oh, the alarm is ringing. So yeah, let me export. As you can see, now let me view it. Excel as file viewer. Open this link, click here, download, and you can see this one. Click OK, and here you can see the data. Links, amount spent. So yeah, this is it, and thanks for watching. If you want such type of video, okay, so please subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much.